Friends, human relations are complex in nature. We have bad bosses and we have good bosses at workplace. A good father may or may not be a good husband. A good mother may or may not be a good mother-in-law. There are issues. One, there is a lack of depth in the relationship. And two, there are expectations which one cannot fulfill. But there are some principles and sutras we can follow to enrich that relationship with others. Let's look at some of the sutras. Sutra 1. Build your acceptability. अपनी स्वीकार्यता को बढ़ाओ. If you are an engineer, the manager should say, I want this person as an engineer in my team. So skill, knowledge, attitude, your competency is your asset for this. Sutra 2. Reach out. Reach out to the people you value the relations. Take initiative. Decide the type of frequency and the type of engagement. You can SMS them, call them over lunch. You can decide. Sutra 3. Accept people as they are. People have limitations. They have their strengths, they have their weaknesses and shortcomings. Apparently, Duryodhana and Karna had accepted each other with all their strengths, weaknesses, shortcomings and limitations. Sutra 4 is practice and believe in inclusive friendship. Welcome the third person, fourth person in a group. Be inclusive. Some people go out with the same person for a tea break, coffee break, lunch break, or for a movie. There is no place for third person. It is exclusive friendship, not recommended. Fifth is remove all the mental barriers. Come out of presumptions and assumptions. Some of the typical presumptions are women cannot think logically, girls cannot drive, North Indians lie, all Brahmins are vegetarian. These presumptions act as a barrier in building a good human relations. Similarly, beware of the assumptions. Sachin Tendulkar's son is not Sachin. Balasaheb's son is not Balasaheb. The next principle and the sixth principle is listen with an heart. You can listen with the head or you can listen with an heart. Have an heart-to-heart dialogue. Don't give advice. Seek advice. In India, people love giving advice. Unfortunately, they don't charge for you except your time. You can win an argument, but you will lose an heart. So remember that. Yourself is the next principle. 7. You can deal with people better if you know yourself better. How is my personality? Am I an extrovert? Am I an introvert? What are my strengths? What are my weaknesses? I will recommend read the book I Am Okay, You Are Okay. Also, do an exercise called Johari Window. This will help you knowing yourself better. The next sutra is give a people a long rope. You have to nurture the relationship. There will be ups and downs in the relationship. Many people says truth is bitter, but in Sanskrit it says Satyam bruyat, Priyam bruyat. Satya bolo, Priya bolo. In Marathi it says जगामध्ये जगन मित्र जिव्हे पाशी आहे सूत्र and तुटे वाद तो संवाद हितकारी. So the dialogue which resolves an issue is a preferred dialogue. Ninth sutra is sacrifice your ego. If you value the relationship, you have to sacrifice your ego. A family is together because a woman keeps that family together. A mother sacrifices for her family. 10th Sutra is create a warmth in a relationship. Shivaji Raje had such a warmth with his childhood friend Tanaji that he apparently hesitated to send him over a dangerous mission. When Tanaji came to know, he postponed the marriage of his son Raiba and went on a mission and eventually sacrificed his life. That kind of warmth Shivaji used to enjoy with a lot of his colleagues. So be caring with the people. After the death of Shivaji, Samarth Ramdas wrote a letter to Shivaji's son Sambhaji in which he said, शिवरायांचे कैसे बोलणे, शिवरायांचे कैसे चालणे, शिवरायांचे सलगी देणे कैसे असे. The same Samarth Maharaj wrote later that राखावी बहुतांची अंतरे भाग्य येते तदनंतरे, which means win the heart of many and your fortune will follow. Remember that and start the journey. Best luck.